Welcome to the world of microscopic marvels, where reality is stranger than fiction. Ever pondered if your spouse is the same person you married? We're not doubting their habits, or we're referring to their cells, life's building blocks, the cells in every organ and every system. Interestingly, your partner isn't the same person at the cellular level. We're venturing into the overlooked world of cellular turnover, a world ceaselessly evolving and renewing. So let's embark on this journey and unravel the mysteries of our bodies, one cell at a time. Did you know that you are not the same person you were a year ago, at least at a cellular level? Yes, you heard it right. This is the fascinating tale of cellular turnover, an ongoing drama in which the main characters are none other than your very own cells. Every moment, every day, your cells are at work. Old cells saying their goodbyes and new cells stepping in to take their place. It's like an ever-running relay race, ensuring the smooth functioning of your body. Now let's meet the first character of our story, the skin cells. With a lifespan of just 2 to 4 weeks, they are the true workaholics, constantly renewing and refreshing your skin. They work tirelessly, braving the external environment, only to be replaced by their successors every month. So imagine every month your skin plays a whole new character. And here's another mind-blowing fact for you. Throughout our lifetime, we shed approximately 40 pounds of skin. Meet the skin cells, the fast-paced actors in this grand play. The skin, our body's largest organ, is constantly exposed to environmental elements, causing a bit of wear and tear. This is where our diligent cast of keratinocytes, the primary cells in the outermost layer of the skin, the epidermis, step into the limelight. These cells live a rather short and intense life, spanning approximately 2 to 4 weeks. But their contribution is invaluable. With their short lifespan, they ensure a rapid turnaround with around 30 to 40,000 skin cells being replaced every hour. Added to this, it's fascinating to know that in our lifetime, we approximately 40 pounds of skin. That's a lot of understudies waiting in the wings for their moment to shine. However, not all of these cells take a bow and exit the stage. Some stay put in the outer layer, playing a vital role in maintaining the skin's protective barrier. So every hour you have a mini makeover with 30 to 40,000 new skin cells joining the cast. But it's not just the skin cells, many other cells join the changing cast daily. Every cell in the body has its own rhythm, its own life cycle. For instance, in the bustling city of your body, the red blood cells, those diligent oxygen carriers, have a lifespan of around 120 days. Then there are the white blood cells, the protective knights of the immune system, living anywhere from a few hours to a few days. And let's not forget the stars of our show today, the intestinal cells. These hard-working individuals are replaced every few days, making your gut lining a site of constant renewal. All these different rates of change mean that your body is continuously updating itself, a living, breathing masterpiece of adaptation. It's estimated that about 1 to 2% of your cells are replaced each day. So in a way, you are 1 to 2% a new person every day. But wait, not all cells abide by this rule of constant change. Take neurons, the stars of the nervous system, for example. Unlike their counterparts, they don't divide as readily, and many have been with us since we were just a fetus. Similarly, certain heart cells and those in the lens of our eyes show limited regenerative capacity, their replacement happening at a slower pace or under specific conditions. So some parts of you remain constant, providing a sense of continuity in this ever-changing cellular drama. Ever wondered why this constant cellular turnover is so crucial? It's because it's vital for maintaining the functionality and health of our tissues and organs. This continuous cycle of renewal allows our bodies to replace damaged or aging cells, contributing to our overall health and vitality. It aids in wound healing, powers our immune system, and helps us adapt to environmental changes. So the fact that we are not the same cells we were a year ago underscores the dynamic nature of our bodies, adapting, repairing, and regenerating, a testament to our resilience and longevity. Before we embark on our final thoughts, let's take a moment to pause. This journey into our cell's microscopic universe might have sparked your interest. If the cellular renewal cycle we've explored intrigued you, we encourage your support. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support is the engine that enhances our exploration and aids us in creating more engaging content like this. Emboldened by your support, let's continue on this incredible journey, delving deeper into the marvels of our bodies.